Hey, it's Kody with WeatherWeld, and today we're on a roof in Southern California. As you can see, actively going on behind me is a tear-off, but what mandates a tear-off? So on this roof here, we have a built-up gravel roof, which is the original roof system when they built this building. We have another built-up roof, followed by another built-up roof with an acrylic polyester coating system on top. So during my original inspection, as I was pulling cores, my core test showed that, hey, there's 3 roof systems and a coating system on this roof. It's got to come off. The other 2 main things that mandate a tear-off would be moisture trapped in the system. That would be evidence of blisters throughout the building, deck damage from the bottom. Those are really the 3 main things that mandate a tear-off. So the roof can't have more than 2 roof systems. Moisture trapped in the system and deck damage or structural damage underneath the roofing system, that's when we'll mandate a full tear-off. So WeatherWeld is not only good for recovers, but we also offer a full new roof system, which is going to go on this. So polyiso, Dens deck, full new roof system. So if you have problems like this, just reach out to us and we'll get you guys sorted.